The clock strikes midnight. A silent hum rises across the globe. Millions of screens flicker to life. And for 48 hours, the world changes. Not with wars or chaos, but with innovation. Amazon Prime Day, a moment when imagination becomes tangible, when the future hides in your cart. This is not a sale, it's an evolution. A cinematic story of gadgets that don't just function, they feel. Tools that don't just exist, they enhance life itself. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru. The dancing sound, Ferrofluid Music Companion. Imagine your music coming alive. Place this bamboo-framed marvel near your speaker, and as the first beat drops, a black droplet begins to dance. It twirls, it jumps, it reacts. That's ferrofluid, a magnetic liquid that responds to rhythm like a living sculpture. You don't just hear your favorite song anymore, you see it. For up to 12 hours, it performs with energy, hypnotic, and alive. Charge it, and the dance continues. The Smart Wallet, a symphony of simplicity. No fumbling, no chaos, just precision. With a single click, 6 cards fan out like a magician's trick. Neat, instant, satisfying. RFID protection shields your digital identity. A money clip secures your bills, while genuine leather wraps it all in quiet luxury. It's not just a wallet, it's a statement. Control, refined. Mach 1 Folding Hammock, the freedom frame. No trees? No problem. Unfold the Mach 1, and within 60 seconds you're suspended midair. Balanced, calm, weightless. It's your private island wherever you stand. Rain? Snap on the tarp. Bugs? The net's got you. Cold? Wrap the quilt. It's adventure packed in a trunk-sized frame. The moment you realize peace can be portable. The mouse mover, the rebel's ally. Some battles are silent, and this tiny device wins them all. In a world of constant pings and presence checks, it's your secret weapon. Plug it in, place your mouse, and walk away. The disc begins to rotate, subtle and undetectable, keeping your screen awake while you steal a breath. No alerts, no guilt, just a moment of quiet rebellion. Because sometimes, freedom is a moving cursor. The Chivalry Robot, the window knight. While the world rushes, this robot glides. Attach it to glass, and its powerful suction holds tight. With a gentle hum, it moves in perfect lines, cleaning 10 square feet every 3 minutes. The microfiber pads shimmer under, sunlight, each rotation a promise of clarity. Control it by remote, trust it to reach what your hands can't. It's not just cleaning, it's choreography on glass. The Smart Cube, the mind's mirror. It looks familiar, yet nothing like before. No painted stickers, no clumsy colors, just LEDs glowing like neurons. As you twist, the cube listens, guiding your moves, helping you learn. It scrambles itself, times your performance, even replays your solutions in perfect animation. Too tired? Say the word, it'll solve itself. The Rubik's Cube just got consciousness. Govee Neon Rope Lights. The pulse of a room. Every space has a mood. This one makes it visible. Bendable silicone ropes infused with smart IC chips, creating seamless gradients of color. Mount it behind your desk, along the wall, or around your screen. The built-in mic listens, syncing the lights to your favorite music. The beat becomes a wave of light rippling across your room. Through the Govee Home app, you command your colors, moods, and brightness. Your space becomes an experience. Your walls, a symphony. Beeline, Moto and Velo. The compass of motion. Out there on the open road, distraction kills. This circular navigator keeps your eyes where they belong, ahead. Bold arrows flash direction. A dot marks your next turn. Smooth vibration, minimalist design, absolute focus. Whether on a mountain trail or city lane, it leads with clarity. No screens, no clutter. It's not just navigation, it's intuition redefined. Smart Key. Organizer, the keeper of doors. Your keys, your tools, your flashlight, now one. A sleek metal spine holds 14 keys, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, and a bright LED beam. Lose it? Tap the app, and it sings its location back to you. Attach your car fob, and your world fits in your palm. Compact, secure, brilliantly human. Solar torchlight, the beacon. Beyond darkness, the storm comes and power fades, but light remains. This rugged, waterproof torch charges by sun or USB, glowing strong through wind, rain, and flood. Its side lantern illuminates entire rooms, while its USB port revives your dead phone. Clip it to your backpack and walk into the unknown. When light is scarce, this torch becomes your hope. ESVIS Cyclops. Cam, the silent guardian. Small, subtle, all-seeing. With a 340-degree rotation and 75-degree tilt, this camera tracks every movement. Zoom in 4 times closer, follow your pet, or watch over what matters most. Motion detection alerts your phone. Privacy mode tilts the lens away when you're home. It's the calm eye in a chaotic world, always watching, never judging. Hover. One Falcon, the racer's dream. Attach the seat, grip the joysticks. Suddenly, your hoverboard transforms into a street racer. LED fog blasters ignite, lights shimmer beneath the frame, and motion takes over. Every spin feels cinematic, every drift a frame from a sci-fi chase. This isn't playtime, it's propulsion in its purest form. Adaptive smart lamp. The light that learns. At night, light becomes language. Fold the lamp, tilt the beam, shift the tone. Cool white sharpens your focus. Warm amber melts the tension away. A built-in motion sensor awakens it as you enter. A digital clock glows softly, time framed in light. Ask Alexa, and it obeys like an old friend. This isn't illumination, it's companionship. Magnetic mini speakers. Sound unleashed. Tiny yet thunderous. Clip one to your phone or 2 for stereo bliss. Bluetooth paired, magnet locked. Pure rhythm from your pocket. When the bass hits, walls seem to breathe. And when water calls, the Ibotta shower speaker takes over. Waterproof, drop-proof, dance-proof. Mornings will never sound the same. The Titan Multi-Tool, the 12-in-1 power. A single grip, 12 possibilities. Hammer, screwdriver, plier, blade, all hidden in one steel masterpiece. Every edge polished, every hinge ready. Slide it into your holster, and you carry preparedness itself. It's not just metal, it's mindset. The Smart Cutter, the creator's blade. Precision lives here. Load your design, connect the app, and watch as this tiny machine carves beauty into paper, vinyl, or card. It draws, cuts, outlines, turning ideas into art within minutes. In the right hands, it's not a tool. It's imagination with an edge. The Spinner of Calm. The Shuriken of Serenity. Anxiety meets its match. This elegant spinner turns stress into motion. Reflective green lines shimmer as it spins. Slow, steady, infinite. Switch it into gyro mode, and it hums in silence. Each spin, a meditation, each glow, a heartbeat of calm. The Shuriken Spinner. Pro, the art of motion. In a restless world, calm has become a luxury, but sometimes serenity fits in your fingertips. The Shuriken Spinner Pro is more than a toy. It's a meditation in motion. Forged from aerospace-grade alloy, it glides with perfect balance, spinning endlessly, whispering through the air like a blade of silence. Under violet light, its luminous rings ignite, tracing hypnotic circles in the dark. Every rotation slows the noise of the mind. Every flick becomes rhythm. Every spin, a quiet defiance against chaos. Engineered for smoothness, designed for stillness. It's a reminder that control doesn't come from stopping the spin. It comes from mastering outro. What if the next gadget we show actually becomes the one you never forget? Because the tech world is getting crazier, faster, and stranger every single week. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru.